How to transfer money from USA to Austria on PC. Now, first of all, we will use Remitly. Why Remitly? Because it has the lowest fees. So if you use the link below, you will benefit from your first $1,000 without any fee. Now, first of all, select your destination that you want to transfer from. In this case, it will be United States. And after that, select your recipient destination that you want to transfer money to. In this case, it will be Austria. If you don't find it here, just type it in the search bar like that. Now, after that, type here how much you want to transfer. In this case, for example, $1,000, and click on Get This Rate. Now log into your account. Now if you don't see your recipient destination here, just click here and type Austria, like that. Now after that, click on Send Money. And now as you can see, this is how much we will transfer. In this case, it will be $1,000. And now as you can see, this is the fee that you will pay. And this is your recipient, how much you will receive. And after that, click on Continue. Now select your recipient bank. For example, here is the bank. And now provide the IBAN of your recipient bank details. Now provide your recipient name and click on Continue. Now if you want to add the recipient phone number, you can. If you don't, just click on Skip. Now this is the last step. It's by adding the new card that you want to transfer money from and click on Continue. Now, make sure to provide your debit card information to be able to transfer money from and click on Next. After that, double check your debit card information and click on Transfer Money and your recipient will receive that money. So this is how to transfer money from USA to Austria on PC. If you found the video helpful, please like and subscribe. See you next video.